Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Japneet and you're watching White Peacock Arts. Before we begin with today's painting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that every time I upload my video you get the notification. So today we'll be painting acrylics on canvas, and the theme of today's painting is abstract art. So when I started with this painting, I had no idea in mind how I'm going to paint this because I am not using reference over here. But yes, I wanted to make some sunflowers over a plain background. I've already started painting my base and I am using cobalt blue and a mixture of turquoise with titanium white. When you are painting without a reference, it's pretty much fun because your intuition and your brush are the guide, and you enjoy every part of it because it's not pre-planned and you do it and then you realize yes, it's coming out well or it didn't work out. And you can see I have let the first layer dry completely and then I am switching over to the next part, and I am using a palette knife over here, and I am using lemon yellow, and permanent orange. So for the base of the leaves I am using a mixture of orange and yellow, and as we layer up to the top the leaves will be more yellowish. You can see how I'm using the palette knife over here, and I'll be painting these leaves like this, one layer after the other. As we all know that abstract art is not the exact form or representation of something, but instead we use shapes, colors and forms or the gestural marks to achieve its effect. So it all depends upon the right texture, right colors and forms, and most importantly the composition of your artwork. You can see it's a very easy way to paint an abstract art, but I would say it's not the only way that you can achieve the desired effect. I'm using a palette knife over here. You can also use a brush, and obviously the brush will give you a different texture and the palette knife is giving you a little bit of rough texture or more of you can say embossed effect of the leaves. I've left the sunflowers to dry and I have moved to the background, and I wanted to paint some clouds in the sky. I just let my brush do the work. You will see I may or may not like these clouds afterward, and you'll see many changes in this process of painting as it's an abstract art and without a reference. So, and let's see what's the final result. Now I had let the layer dry completely, and I'm again using lemon yellow, and this time I'm only using lemon yellow for the top layer of the leaves. And you can see every time I am rotating the canvas, it's just because we cannot rotate our hand in all the directions, so it's very convenient to rotate your canvas. My last two paintings were also the abstract art, and if you haven't seen my previous videos, I'm placing a link over here. You can go and watch my previous abstract art paintings. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more exclusive collection. I have given all the links to my social media in the description below. Here I have taken titanium white and I'm using it over the edges of the leaves just to give it the highlight. Now I'm using burnt umber just for the center of the flowers, for the pollens. I would love to know your views about my paintings. Please mention your views and your suggestions in the comments below. I would really love to know what you all feel. Now I'm adding some more flowers, some more yellow leaves. I wanted this area to be really filled with leaves. So here is a close-up to my artwork, and I had let the layers dry completely, and then I'm using this orange color in between the leaves. And the purpose of using this orange color in between the leaves is I'm just trying to give it a depth. As the painting was not pre-planned, I decided to change my background because I felt the painting is little incomplete, so I wanted to experiment with more darker color in the background. So I have used turquoise color, and in the corner from the top I'm using titanium white. And now you can see I'm using spatter of yellow color over it. So here is the final painting. So you can see it's very easy to paint an abstract art, and I would love to see your paintings. You can share your paintings, your works on my social media, and I'll see you next time with something new and interesting. Till then, keep painting.